guys, we are on our way to Jamaica. Yes, we're gonna start our fun and our whole entire home trip. You know, Sakina there drive. Big up yourself, you. Big up yourself. Candy in the back, and Joshua and Tamia. And this is the beginning of our escapades.
Yes.
What do you call it? Jamaican escapades. So Yardie TV will be filming, and we just bring on a live with we everywhere we go. We make sure, sir, you know, our experience is your guys' experience, and you know it is Christmas Day, and we are on the way. One more rhyme. And then
it's hip hip hooray.
Cause it's hip hip hooray.
And hooray hip hip.
And we now go play.
Because we don't play no games.
It's supposed to rhyme.
Oh, sorry.
Right, no bother. That's it, me quit. So we're on the way to the airport right now. Yeah, let me just show now. That's the runway right there, so. And yeah, we just going now. So we'll talk, yeah? Yardie Belly, Jamaican escapade, begin. Day one. You smell it? Some of this smell really moldy. Say hello.
Hello.
You so boring.
You're not gonna talk.
No.
You got nachos.
You're gonna come with me to go use the bathroom.
Start on the eating already.
Let's go use it.
Start on the eating.
Mexican. Okay, imagine.
That's the problem, you know. The eating now stop now. God help us. Yes, we are here because we are here. After 10 years of being away, finally come home. Yeah, Jamaica. We are here. Alright, so welcome to Kingston, Jamaica. Manners and respect, Jamaica. We come home. Sendtohope is here. Yeah, so we're there now. We're breaking house and chill a little bit. Just come in from the airport, get some food. See them down there, so sit down, eat some food and try to see if we can work on some, get to where we are going now. How you feel, you? You're tired and want to relax now, don't you? Jamaica. Day one. Or no, just reach. Not day one. Tomorrow day one.
Making it look like
yeah.
Unreasonable.
She in a heaven. She happy, see? She's so happy. Sure now.